YouTube. Up looking ugly, man. It's early. Let's drop the kid off at the little schoolhouse. You know what I'm saying? Partner in crime ain't with me today. Headed to the paint shop, man. Headed to the paint shop. The lighting is not working with me this morning. I got the sun in my view. Hopefully it ain't messing up the view. But head to the paint shop. Got another grill. I need some fiberglass on, and also what is sun a motherfucker this morning. Yeah. Anyway, trying to drive. So y'all just got to deal with it. Yeah, I got I ain't finna do a tutorial on how to do these, how to wire up these switchback headlights that the kid produced. That's the mission. That's what's going on. That's what I'm doing. Up look ugly, man. I will fade back when I get out here to the paint shop, y'all. Come on. Alright, YouTube. Out here at the paint shop. Y'all see the grill. I'm about to get these lights. Get on these lights. Quick little info, little tip. 1,000 of y'all ask me all the goddamn time about these 4x6. They the same. All GM, late model. They went to square headlight after the round and after the big 5x7 on the Cutlass. Just so y'all know, same exact headlight. They go for a box Chevy with 4 squares. The Regal came out good too. Y'all see me in it. Paint man ain't playing with y'all. And it's dusty. But yeah, all 4x6s, man. Any car that got 4 square headlights, it's a 4x6. It's the same. It fit. Late 70, all the way, you know, to about 86 before it went Euro. All of them the same. Yeah, half of the buckets the same. Yeah. Now we gonna get started. Alright, YouTube. Y'all see them. They in there. Now we can get to the wire part. Pretty simple, guys. That, you know, it's pretty much dummy proof. Only gonna go one way. Plug those in. Alright, we got you. Let's see where we at. Got your power, your ground. And this little buddy right here is the switch. That's what goes into your blinker, the yellow. The white, we don't even use it. Red, most likely part light, and you already know that black is a ground. This one here, like I say, goes into the switch wire. So I fade back, man, when I'm done. Alright, YouTube, that one side, what I did, like I told y'all, it's pretty simple. Power ground flasher. This car has a bad flasher on it, so we just gonna rock with the white. Pretty simple. It's wired in right there with that part light. You know what I'm saying? When you get all the flashers and everything together, all you gotta do is take that yellow wire, tie it in with the blinker, and you're good to go. They're gonna switch back and forth. But I will come back with the finished product with both of them on. Y'all see the grill already. And yeah, man, we fade back. All right, YouTube, we got action. As y'all see, got them things in there. Kid got me working. I'm charging his ass, he just don't know it yet. I ain't even the light man, you feel me? I do grill. classic. Bad flasher on the car. But all you gotta do, once you get all the bulbs and the flasher working, all you gotta do, take that yellow wire I showed y'all earlier, run it into a flasher, and they gonna switch back and forth, man. Like they supposed to. Double weed grill, Regal emblem on the edge of it, switchback, M4, BMW, 4x6s. Yes, them 4x6s fit. All GM. So get that confusion. Keep that confusion down, man. If you got a car, 4 square headlights, GM, they are 4x6, man, and they will fit. But that's it, y'all. Y'all know what we do, man. Live from the paint shop. And we out. Alright, what up, YouTube? About to close this thing on out, man. Just a reminder on them switchback, man. Cause I seen some guys, hey y'all, do not wire them things into the headlights, man. Do not wire them into the headlights. It takes away from the halo look when you put them on the headlights. You want to wire into a park light, you know what I'm saying? That way you can hit them park lights, them halos is showing off without the headlight behind it. So you can't get the full visual, you know, when I'm wired into the headlights like that. So yeah, once again, you got the red, which is the hot wire, you know what I'm saying, park light. You can run both of them, power and ground, into the park light. That yellow wire, it goes into the flash. You know, you just find the wire that flash when you put your blinkers on. That yellow wire, that's where you want to put it. Like I say, unfortunately, the flasher on the 80 Regal, something going on with it. So I just put him on white, got him on the park light, he good to go. Once he get all his and he missing a lot of bulbs too, so that might be why it ain't flashing. Once you get all that straightened out, all you gotta do, put that yellow on the flasher, man, and they gonna switch back and forth like they need to, and he gonna be good to go. And that's a wrap, man. I done rambled on long enough, man. We out.